Do you ever look back and realize that your old self would not even recognize the person you are now? Imagine becoming so disciplined that the lazy, distracted version of you would be terrified to meet the new you. Most people think discipline is about rules and restriction. But in reality, discipline is the ultimate form of freedom, the ability to control your mind, your time, and your future. In this video, I will show you how to build such unshakable discipline that even your old self would be shocked at how much you have changed. See discipline as a muscle, not a trait. Discipline is not something you are born with. It is built through small, consistent actions. Just like lifting weights, the more you train it, the stronger it gets. Start with tiny wins, making your bed, finishing a 5-minute workout, or setting a 10-minute timer for focused work. Small victories create momentum, and momentum builds unstoppable discipline. Identity before action. Stop telling yourself, I need to be disciplined. Instead, say, I am a disciplined person. Your brain works to protect your identity. When you shift your self-image, your actions naturally follow. A disciplined person does not try to wake up early. They just do, because it is who they are. Eliminate the option of quitting. The reason we fail is because quitting is always on the table. Burn that bridge. Remove distractions, set deadlines, and commit publicly so that failing is not an option. When there is no escape route, your brain finds a way to push through, and that is when you level up. Use fear as fuel. Think about your old self, the one who procrastinated, made excuses, and wasted opportunities. Let the fear of becoming that person again push you forward. Fear is one of the most powerful motivators when you channel it into action. Consistency over motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. Build habits that work even when you are tired, uninspired, or frustrated. The real test of discipline is not doing the work when it is easy, but doing it when you don't feel like it at all. Your old self might not believe who you have become, but that is the point. You are not living for the past version of you. You are building the future version that commands respect, earns success, and inspires others. Start today, one small disciplined action at a time. Because the scariest thing for your old self is seeing what you have truly been capable of all along.